Hello world, and thank you so much for joining us today for this very first video, this brand new channel for Indigo Coding and Tech Solutions. So today we're not going to be doing any screen sharing or tutoring or teaching of anything. What we would like to do today is go over some of the goals and plans that we have for this channel and how you can help us reach those goals, which would be amazing. So the first couple of benchmarks that we would like to meet is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I know this sounds like a lot, but I know we can do it, and it's gonna be amazing. And let me tell you how we are going to help make this happen. So I do have a couple of guests already planned, a couple of guests that have already agreed to come on and join us, and we're gonna talk a little bit about a lot of things. The first person is one of my favorite instructors from school. His name is Mr. Brian Steinwand, and a Mr. Steve Gleisner from somethingcool.com is going to be joining us probably next week or maybe the week after. We haven't settled those details yet, but do stay tuned for either of them. They are both very awesome. A few of the things that we are going to go over that might be a regular occurrence on this channel are some interesting articles that we find pertaining to everyday mundane things, such as updates for Windows and how to better utilize Windows and Linux, which is my personal favorite. Security issues, we know that that's been let's see, a concern, so we'll go over some of that. I will have both Brian and Steve talk with me on that subject. We're going to go over some coding languages at some point, maybe work on some coding challenges for those of us who are more into it and want to explore those topics. I am going to start by going over by doing things with either the C# language or Python, Java, HTML, JavaScript. I imagine Brian and Steve and I were all going to talk about client-side coding, which is what you, the user, sees as far as how we code. Back-end coding, which is more of like the logic that's more behind the scenes of anything. And also security, like I said. If there is anything else that you, the viewers, would like to see on this channel, please feel free to leave a comment. Tell us all about it. Tell us what you think of this video, if any improvements you think. If the lighting is not quite right, I do plan on getting a better light that actually will hook up to one of my monitors. So this isn't going to be a permanent, and my curtains are probably not going to be a permanent backdrop either. So yeah, just a quick video. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you soon.